Yeah, 360 donuts. And the steering's not broken this time.
Hold on, get over here.
Go on this flat surface here.